Have you ever wondered what would happen if the sun just went out? Not forever, but just for a little while. Let's imagine a scenario where our star decides to take a vacation. What if it disappeared for a month, 3 months, 6 months, or even a whole year? Could we survive? Let's start with 1 month of darkness. The first few days might feel like a novelty, a really long night. But things would get serious, fast. Within a week, the average global temperature would plummet to around 0 degrees Fahrenheit, that's minus 17 Celsius. Life on the surface would start to freeze. Photosynthesis would stop, causing most plants to die off. The oceans would be our saviors for a little while, as their top layers would freeze, insulating the deep water below and protecting some marine life. Humans could survive in shelters, relying on geothermal heat or stockpiled fuel, but it would be a cold, dark, and scary month. Now let's extend that to 3 months. By this point, the Earth's surface would be a frozen wasteland, with temperatures dropping to minus 150 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 100 Celsius. The oceans would be covered in a thick layer of ice, possibly hundreds of feet deep. Most surface life would be completely gone. Humanity's survival would depend on our technology. We'd need to live deep underground, near volcanic vents, or in nuclear-powered habitats. We'd be eating stored food and maybe farming with artificial light. Society as we know it would be a distant memory. What about 6 months? The situation gets even more extreme. The atmosphere itself would start to freeze. The air we breathe would liquefy and then solidify, falling to the ground like snow. That's right, our atmosphere would rain down and cover the planet. At this stage, survival becomes almost impossible without incredibly advanced, self-sustaining bunkers that can generate their own air and heat for a very long time. The Earth would resemble a silent, frozen ball of rock drifting through space, and after a year without the sun, the Earth would be an ice planet. The oceans would be frozen solid, all the way to the seafloor. The temperature would have stabilized at a bone-chilling minus 400 degrees Fahrenheit, or minus 240 Celsius. The only heat would come from the Earth's core. Could anything survive? Maybe some extremophiles, tiny microorganisms living near deep-sea hydrothermal vents, but for humanity, it's highly unlikely. Our technology and resources would have been pushed far beyond their limits. So, could we survive the sun going out? For a month, maybe longer than that, our chances get slimmer and slimmer. It's a stark reminder of just how much we depend on that beautiful, fiery star in our sky. Let's be grateful for every sunrise. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more what-if scenarios.